Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the module 3 in our subject, that is module 3 contain having two topics, that is a transportation problem and assignment problem. So let me understand the first transportation problem. What do you mean by transportation? Transportation name means to ship the material from one place to another place, that is called as a transportation problem. So here in our subject, transportation means it is a special type of linear part programming where the objective is to be minimize the cost of the distributing a product from a number of sources or origin to a number of destination. That means we have to shift the source to destination product to reduce or to minimize the given cost, that is a labor cost. That is the main purpose of using and studying this type of problems. Okay, na, transportation. So this problem can be solved by four methods. First one is the northwest corner rule, and second one is the least cost method, third one is overall approximation method, and fourth one is a Modi method, that is called as modified distribution method. So let me understand first by northwest corner rule, and this problem they may ask you in examination around 10 to 12 mark question. So the problem question is like this: find the basic feasible solution and also find the total minimum cost for the given transportation problem. So this is a given transportation problem they given. So this side is source S1, S2, S3, and this one destination D1, D2, D3, D4. So along with that they given demand value also and supply value also. Okay, na. So demand, so for source 1 to give to transport some product they are charging 3 rupees, that is, and S1 send a product to destination 2, they are charging 1 rupees. S1 sending a product to destination they are charging 7 rupees, and the last one is 4 rupees. Like this they are charging the amount of shifting the material. So the main purpose of this problem is to find the total minimum cost to shift all the product from source to destination. So along with this they given demand value and supply value. So let me solve. So let me first write the given problem as it is. So they given, write down as it is the given data, that is the given table: 3 2 8 1 6 3 7 5 3 4 9 2, and supply value is given for source 1 is 300, second one is 400, and next one is 500. So demand value is given 250, 350, 400, 200. So this is the given question. So I will repeat problem number 1: find the basic feasible solution and also find the total minimum cost for the given transportation problem by northwest corner rule. They are saying northwest corner rule. So there are four methods. So check while reading the question, check whether which method they given. Okay, now whether they given northwest corner rule or overall approximation method or least cost method or Modi method. Okay, now. So write that given table as it is. Okay, next one is how to solve this problem. Can be solved with there are by 3 steps. First you check whether the given problem is balanced or unbalanced. For that purpose just to add all the supply value and demand value. If you look at this supply values, 300 plus 400 plus 500, this is total value is 1200. This is the supply value is 1200, and demand value you just to add the sum demand values: 250 plus 350 plus 400 and 200. So this is also 1200. So the given problem is balanced. First, if you want to solve a given problem, first you have to check whether the given problem is balanced or unbalanced. That is, all the supply values should be equal to demand value. So that is the first step number 1. So right here answer: demand value is equal to supply value. Therefore the given problem is balanced. Therefore the given problem is balanced. Suppose the given problem is unbalanced, means we have to add the dummy row and dummy column. For example, 300, 400, 500 is become 100, 1000. So this is 1200, means you have to add the dummy column here along with the row, so that whatever that unbalanced value is there, just to add it and make it equal. So that is make it equal, then only you can solve the problem, otherwise it is not. So okay now, so this is first step is whether the given, you have to check whether the given problem is balanced or unbalanced. If balanced means proceed the further work. If unbalanced means you can add the dummy column and dummy row where the value is less. Okay now, second, now after this, how second step is, see the given question in the northwest corner rule. In northwest corner rule, they have some procedure to solve this. So check first, select a first corner of the given boxes. So this is the north, this is the west, select the corner. So this is 300. From this that is for this is a 3 value. From this box, you check the whether demand value and supply value. Demand value is 250 and supply value is 300. Among these two, for 3, source 1, destination 2, 1, select the least value. So this is among these two values, 250 and 300. 250 is the least value. So this 250 value allocate here and subtract from these two. So our aim is to make all the rows and column, that is demand value, supply value equal to 0. Okay now, so you allocate this 250 to here, make one box. So 250 minus 250 is 0, 300 minus 250 is remaining is 50. Just to whatever you allocated here value, just to subtract from the this one. I will repeat. So select the first boxes. For first boxes, choose the demand value and supply value. From these two, which is one is the least value, allocate this and subtract. 250 is the least value, just to allocate here. Here 250 minus 250 is 0. 300 minus 250 is 50. So which values are allocating, that respective column you make it delete or delete it. Okay now, so your 250 you are allocating here, so this entire row should cancel. 3, 2, 8. Because why you are deleting? Because here the demand value is 0, so there is no use of taking the values to the next step. Okay now, next again select the next box. First here 1 is there, so from this one, so demand value is 350, supply value is 50. So least is 50. So you allocate here 50. So this is 0. 50 here, 350 minus 300 is 300. Okay now. So you are allocating 50. So delete this entire column. Okay. Next select the next column, next box. Here 6 is the next box. So again check 6 for 6, demand value is 300, 400, demand is this is one is the least, so 0, you allocate 300. So here 100. Okay now, so you are allocating 300 here, so delete this. So remaining is 4 boxes. So again select 5. For 5, 100 is the least value, 100 you allocate here. So this is 0, this is 300. Okay now, this get cancelled. Next, so remaining is 2 boxes. Again least one is 300, 500, allocate this 300 here. So here 300 means 0, here 300 means 200. So remaining last is 200, 200, right here 200 I allocate, this is 0, this is 0. So check if the given problem is balanced, it means at the end moment, at the end stage, you will get the both the side supply and demand value should be equal. So then only you understand that your problem is going to correct. Okay, now otherwise it is wrong. So at the moment 0 0, just to observe here, supply value all are 0 0 0, demand values all are 0 0 0. So this problem is solved. Okay now, next one is they asking in the question, find the basic feasible solution. Now basic feasible solutions are, so right here second step is basic feasible solutions are, so this is, let us wherever you are allocated, that is the basic feasible solution. This is x11, this is like a matrix, this is x11, x12, x13, x14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay now, basic feasible solution are right here. This is x11 is 250, next x12 is 50, next third, this is nothing there. So next here x21, x22 is 300. Next x23 is 100. Next x33 is equal to 300. x34 200. So this is the basic feasible solution. Okay, now basic feasible solution is nothing but just you write whatever you are allocated, that you write to write. So last question, they are asking find the total minimum cost. Just go on multiply it and you will get a total minimum cost. So third answer is to find the total minimum cost. Total minimum cost is just whatever you are allocated, that you multiply 250 into 300, 250 into 3 plus 50 into 1 plus 300 into 6 plus 100 into 5 plus 300 into 3 plus 200 into 2. If you by using calculator you solve this, you will get around 250 plus 300 means just take the calculator, multiply, and the result you will get the answer is 4,400 rupees. Okay, now so this is a total minimum cost. This is about the transportation problem by northwest corner rule. Okay, now I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.